Looking for expert interior designers in NYC who can transform your space without the sky-high design fees? Meet 3 of Decorilla's top designers and discover how they transform dream interiors into reality, from mood boards to 3D renderings to breathtaking final designs. With Decorilla, your dream space is just a few clicks away. Joseph Ginsberg's designs are the epitome of modern luxury. His approach marries old-world craftsmanship with sleek, contemporary aesthetics. With a background in painting, sculpture, and architecture, Joseph crafts stunning spaces that combine glistening surfaces, bold lines, and practical functionality. His designs are perfect for those seeking opulent yet livable interiors. Joyce Tranchita has perfected the art of designing small spaces with style and functionality. After studying architecture in Europe and launching her own furniture line, she now specializes in creating modern, high-end interiors that are both elegant and budget-friendly. Joyce's work has been featured in top publications and admired for its effortless charm and practicality. Susan Winberg's 25 years of experience shine through in her thoughtful, client-focused designs. After leaving a career in law, Susan has dedicated herself to turning her clients' visions into reality. Her work spans all styles, from contemporary apartments to traditional homes, always reflecting the homeowner's lifestyle and personality. Ready to see your dream space come to life? Decorilla makes it simple, affordable, and fun. Take our freestyle quiz to find the perfect design match. Just click the link in the description. Watch spaces go from basic to breathtaking with Decorilla's before and after transformations. Our expert designers create realistic 3D renderings so you can visualize every detail and feel confident in your choices before making any big purchases. Experience a seamless design process that brings your dream space to life. Getting started is easy. Answer a few questions, post pictures of your space, and tell us about your budget. Decorilla's designers will send you concept previews, and you can pick your favorite one. Our designer will help you source the best deals for your decor items, select the paint color palette, position the furniture, and provide a detailed 3D visualization of your new space. Nothing speaks louder than real results. See how Decorilla has transformed homes with stunning designs and hear from clients about their experience. Get inspired by their stories and envision what's possible for your space. Ready to transform your space? We have a special $120 promo for you, available for a limited time. Check out the link in the description.